So the intention of this recording is to show you how to use an online Java programming environment called JDoodle. There are online compilers. Eclipse is a program you install on your computer, and that's what I recommend you use. But there's also online compilers or environments, which I feel like the quality has actually maybe gone down over the years. I think they just added too many complicated features. But I'm going to show you one called JDoodle, which I think is reasonable to use. So I'm going to share the screen now. And let's see here. I can never seem to find this. Okay, so let me just share this screen. Okay, so now I'm just going to type in so I typed in JDoodle, and it brings up this web page. And I'm just going to click here on JDoodle. And then I'm going to click here on Java. You can actually create an account which allows you to actually save files on their website. Otherwise, if you create some file and you don't copy it manually to your own computer, it's going to get lost. So I just entered JDoodle in the search box, clicked on the JDoodle link, and now I'm going to click on Java. And you see what it does, it brings up this window here. And so it actually has a Java program already in it. Now this is a little more advanced. It has some things we won't learn until next week, but yeah, all it is a program. We always see this public static. All our programs have to have public class, and then following class, there's a class name. And public static void main string guards, that's the starting point of our program. We're always going to see that. Here they've actually declared some variables. They declared a variable X and Y. The first one is assigned 10, the other one 25. We add them together and then print out the sum. So if I execute this, you'll see it says the sum of X plus Y equals 35. So I'm going to keep this short. All I just want to show you is how to create that same Hello World program that I did in Eclipse. So first, I encourage you to look at that Eclipse video. I know it's a little bit long, 15 minutes. Public class, Hello World. So again, the H and W in Hello World are uppercase, no spaces. And notice how the public and class are kind of red, meaning it has some kind of special meaning, which we'll learn more about later. And then public, static, all in red, void, main, and then string args. We always have that. And then left brace. And when I hit enter, it automatically puts the right brace in. And so I'm just going to put system.out.println, and then double quotes. And I put one double quote in and hit enter. It puts the matching one in. And I'm just going to put hello, now with the space, hello world. And they always end every statement. The very last character is a semicolon. This is the exact same code I had in the Eclipse video. I press execute. You see it prints hello, whatever it's in the double quotes, that's what it prints. I could put comments in, 2 forward slashes. This is a Hello World program. Everything after the 2 forward slashes is ignored. That's a single line comment. Double line comment, which I reviewed before in the Eclipse video, /**, and then I'm going to hit enter. Notice how, oh, it doesn't actually automatically put we need the */ to close it off. And anything in between the /* and the / is a multi-line comment. So I'll go comment, line 1, comment, line 2. So if you're, okay, and so and it doesn't hurt the program at all. You see it's all in green, that means it's being ignored. Important thing is to make sure there's no space between the / and the *. So I put one in, and I think it should actually give me an error message. Let me just execute, let's see what happens. Yeah, I didn't like it. The one thing about JDoodle, you won't actually see the error. If there is a syntax error, like a spelling error or a typing error, you're not going to be notified of the error until you actually execute the program, whereas in Eclipse will report it before you even try running the program. So Eclipse is more like Microsoft Word, where it underlines spelling errors as you type. Okay, so let's just fix that, take that space out. hello, why doesn't it do this? Okay, fixed it, and now execute. Okay, so I'm just going to end this video. So first, all I'm going to say, I think Eclipse is preferred over this. This will be good for simple programs. As programs get more complicated, I'm not sure how useful this will be. But if you're having problems with Eclipse right now, this is a good alternative. So I'm going to stop sharing the screen. Again, the website is jdoodle.com. Stop sharing. And I'm going to stop recording.